Welcome to LandSpace Architecture. In this lecture, I'll be sharing my top tips on how to arrange plants effectively for landscape design. We'll explore the process from site plans to sections, diving into the why and how behind each approach. Let's get started. The formal style typically features three common patterns. The first is aligning plants in a straight line for a clean, structured look. The second is arranging plants in a zigzag pattern, keeping them closely spaced for a cohesive design. And the third is grouping plants in triangular formations to create a balanced and polished appearance. A formal style is often found in classical gardens, where symmetry and order are key, such as in traditional French or Italian designs. It's also widely used in contemporary landscape design, with great examples from PWP landscape architecture, like the University of Texas at Dallas and the Nasher Sculpture Center, where aligned trees create a clean and elegant aesthetic. However, in most cases, we don't have large, flat spaces for aligning trees, or we may want to add more layers of plants for depth and interest. That's where the natural style comes in. To arrange plants naturally, I've identified several effective types of arrangements. 3 plants in a triangle, a simple yet dynamic grouping. 3-2 arrangement, combining 3 larger plants with 2 smaller ones for a balanced look. 4-1 or 5-3 arrangement, using larger groupings to create focal points and layers. The 3 plants in a triangle arrangement is a simple and versatile way to group plants. This method places 3 plants or trees in a triangular layout, with one serving as the focal point in the center. The spacing can vary. Plants can be arranged closely for a compact look or spread out to create a sense of openness. It's an effective and natural way to add balance and visual interest to your design. The 3-2 arrangement is an expanded version of the triangle arrangement. When the planting area is larger, this method allows for 2 focal points, adding depth and dimension to the space while maintaining a natural and balanced look. The 4-1 or 5-3 arrangement is ideal for creating more substantial plant groupings. This method balances larger, dominant plants with smaller companion plants for a harmonious design. It's perfect for highlighting feature plants or anchoring a space, making it both functional and visually striking. Let's look at an example of a site plan to demonstrate how to arrange trees of different sizes in a natural way. We can always mix plants into different groupings. For example, place 3 trees in a triangle and arrange shrubs naturally, or align the shrubs to create a visual pattern within the planting area. There's no single correct or specific way to arrange plants. It always depends on the design of your site and your overall concept. For inspiration, you can explore landarch.org, a platform showcasing some of the best works by emerging professionals and landscape architecture students. It's an excellent resource for discovering design examples, exhibitions, and creative ideas. Plus, it's a space where you can submit and share your own projects with the community. Landarch.org is more than just a website. It's a vibrant community. A place where passionate designers, students, and professionals unite to collaborate, inspire, and grow. Explore the exceptional drawings and design philosophies behind each project, and connect with the creators by visiting their profile links.